Hot Bobby Summer. Don't run for me, friend.
Real ass nigga, give a fuck about a bitch. It is what it is, that's a 5-star dick. She a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit, yeah. Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
Look, handle me, who gon' handle me? Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team. He put in all that work, he wanna be the MVP. I told him ain't no taming me, I love my niggas equally. Fucking 9 to 5 niggas with that superstar beat. Fuck the superstar nigga, now I got him all day.
What's up, everyone? It's Nia. Welcome back to me and Nae's channel. So in today's video, I'm bringing y'all all the flavors, all the vibes of like the urban chic, just like 90s girl, like, and I feel like this is just so natural for me because that's who I am. I was born in the 90s. I'm from an urban community. Like, I don't know, this is just me. Like, what you're seeing is me, like long hair, tail length, you can't even see it, but tail length comes past my butt, these bamboo earrings. Oh my gosh, like I swear I've been wearing name jewelry since like elementary school. Like my mom got it for us, and then when I got older she got us like the smaller name earrings, and then once we got older and we could get them ourselves and pick them out ourselves, we went to the jewelry store and we got like the big ones just like this. Like, y'all, we wasn't playing, like, and we still not playing. I'm loving that 90s vibes are coming back. But before I start rambling, yeah, so I'm bringing y'all this quick and easy tutorial on how to make your own nameplate earrings. Yes, you heard me correctly, your own nameplate earrings. So you don't have to go out and spend hundreds of dollars trying to get name earrings. Granted, these aren't real, but they do the job, right? Don't they look good, y'all? I think I did a good job. Now, on to the real tea, y'all. It's just so sad. Like, I have to do better. Like, y'all gonna notice in the actual tutorial that my nails are totally different. Like, same design, because I always get like the triangle French, but a different color because I recorded that in January, y'all. It's August and this video is just going up. Y'all wanna know what's even worse? I bought the supplies to make this video in January 2018. That is just terrible. I didn't record it until January 2019, and that is only because I wanted to wear the earrings. I'm like, okay, just record it because you need to wear these earrings this weekend. So yeah, that's what I did, and I've been wearing them ever since then. But the good thing is y'all get to see how long these earrings last. Now, I did change the bamboo earring, but I just changed it yesterday. So from January up until August, those earrings lasted me, yeah, 8 months. And the only reason I even changed them is because I wanted y'all to get like a fresh pair. Like, y'all see these things, they are like blinging, like, ooh, yes. So yeah, I wanted y'all to see like a fresh pair, so that's the only reason why I changed them. Otherwise, I'd have been rocking the same ones. They last so long. But without further ado, because I don't want to keep rambling and holding you guys up, because I know what y'all came here for. I mean, y'all came to see me, of course. But I know y'all came to see this tutorial, so let's get right into it. So for this very simple project, you're going to just need a few things. Some really strong glue. I like E6000 glue. You can also use Gorilla Glue, I think it's called, which you can buy from Home Depot. It's a bit messy though. But E6000 glue, you can literally find it at any of your regular craft stores, Joann's, Michael's, literally anywhere. AC Moore. I ordered mine from Amazon. But yeah, you can get it from anywhere. You're going to need a pair of bamboo earrings of your choice, whatever color you want. I think they come in silver. Some places have rose gold. As you can see, I paid a beautiful $1.99 from my beauty supply store, local beauty supply store. Really cheap and affordable. And lastly, you're going to need a pair of nameplates. These are acrylic nameplates, which I got from Etsy. I'll try to find the seller and list it in the description below. But I actually bought these literally a year ago. I bought these in January 2018. 2018 because I was supposed to do this video a year ago, and look at it, it's January 2019 and I'm just getting to it. But either way, they come as singles, so you have to purchase 2 individual ones. So I have the gold mirror with the black backing. You don't have to get a backing if you don't want it. I just wanted it. You can choose the font that you want. Like, you can literally have fun with it. You can get it in whatever color you want, everything, whatever size you want. I chose this size. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. You can look on Etsy. I'll also try to find the seller that I purchased from and leave the seller in the description box below. Now, let's get on to the fun part. So I took everything out of the packaging and zoomed in a bit just so you guys can see it a little more clearly. I'm trying to beat the sun going down because I'm using natural lighting today. But you're going to take your earrings. I like to hold them up to see how I actually wear my earrings. I know the clasp is usually on the back side, so yeah, I have the clasp facing outward, and this inner corner would typically be where the earring is at the front of my face. These come with a plastic film on the front of them, and I'm gonna leave that on there just because I don't want any glue to get on the actual mirror or anything like that. So if I make any mistakes, I know I still have to take the plastic film off of the nameplates, and they should be perfectly fine. So I'm gonna start out by just placing the nameplate where I want them to be on the earrings, just to get a general idea. And be careful when you buy your nameplate to make sure you are getting them, to make sure you are getting a good size for whichever earrings you buy, because you want to make sure the plate can actually fit on the earring. So that's pretty much, that's a general idea of how they'll look when they're finished. So I kind of see where these two start and finish. So I'm just going to put a dab of glue on each of those corners. Not even a dab, actually. I'm going to like smear that on there. Oh, and I forgot to mention, if you want these earrings to last like a really long time and you don't want to use like fake earrings, I would recommend, you know, a lot of these Instagram shops and even on Etsy, they sell gold plated earrings. So you can just, you know, go purchase actual gold plated earrings opposed to you know, using some cheap ones from the beauty supply store like I am. But this is a affordable project for me, so I'm gonna go with the $1.99 earrings, you know. So I set that one in place, and now I'm going to do the second one. I pretty much looked at the 2 bamboo corners to pretty much determine where I was going to place it. And like I said, I am putting a big chunk on there just because I want to make sure these things stay on. And if you want, you can put like a towel down as you're working, just to make sure you don't mess up your space. Like, I don't care if my table gets a little dirty because this is like a little craft table I have. But yeah, if you care. So here is what the earrings look like once I put the plates on there with the E6000 glue. Now I'm just going to take these and flip them over for them to dry. I really want like the gravity and the pressure to make them dry, you know, in place. And then I'm going to take some nice household products, heavy products, and sit them on top of it.
Do not do this. I went back to check on the earrings maybe 10 minutes later, and because of the weight, it made the earrings slide off of the plate. So ultimately, I just re-glued them back in place, and I set them upright and let them dry, and they dried perfectly. But I wanted to leave this part in because I'm sure there's plenty of people out there that would think just like me and try this.
And if you have the time, I would say sit them out overnight. Do this at night and let them dry We'll see what this looks like when it's all finished. So one thing I want to mention that I may not have mentioned in the video is that you want to make sure before you start to make your earrings, you coat the bamboo earring or whatever style earring, because it doesn't have to be bamboo, but that's what I choose. You want to make sure you coat it with like a clear coat of nail polish. You don't have to do that. I didn't do that, and like I said, my last pair lasted 8 months. But if you want them to last a little longer before they start to change color, definitely make sure you cover them with a clear coat of nail polish. Another tip is, you know, you should already know this though, if you wear like any type of jewelry, sterling silver, costume jewelry, try not to stack your jewelry on top of each other, because that's what makes it like change colors. I forgot what it's called. I knew the exact term for it. Can't think of it right now. It's not important. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, try not to, like, you know how some people just put all their makeup, all of their jewelry in like a pile. Like, try not to do that, because when it's stacked on top of each other, that makes it change color a lot faster. But I hope I mentioned everything in this video, y'all. Like I said, I recorded the tutorial 8 months ago, but either way, I'm getting it to y'all. Like, the summer ain't over. Y'all can still be a hot girl, a city girl, whatever you want to be. Let me know in the comment sections below. Are you a hot girl or are you a city girl? For myself, I don't think I'm either, because I be real low-key. But if I had to choose, I'm definitely probably a hot girl. My girl Nikki out here with the hot girl summer. Y'all know it is a hot girl summer. So yeah, I keep snapping, but y'all, like I said, this is really me. Like, I'm not pretending. Like, I'm not coming up here acting like all sweet and shy, because if you know me in person, y'all already know how I am. I'm like fun and stuff. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. I am like very like creative, I guess. Like, I'm such a DIY person. I sew, I do a little bit of everything. So yes, if y'all want to see more DIYs like this, definitely let me know in the comment section below, and I'll bring y'all some more DIYs. And I like to do DIYs that are like actually wearable. Like, I feel like I see so many DIYs where people are just making stuff for the sake of making it. Like, no, I do stuff that is like wearable, that you can wear. For these earrings, if y'all want to do like a necklace, we can do a necklace next. Like, y'all, I got some ideas. I may not even tell y'all. I'll probably just do them if this video does well. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to see more of our videos, vlogs, beauty videos, hair tutorials, all of that good stuff. And you can also click the bell if you want to be notified when we upload a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Should I take the love? Should I take that dick? Got a whole lot of options, cause you know a bitch poppin'. I'm a high girl, so you know when shit stoppin'.
Hot. So in today's video. So in today's tutorial, I'm bringing you guys all the vibes, all the flavors. Okay, take 3.